Hi, I'm Sarah Hatch with Hatch Property Management and Sales, and today I'm going to teach you a little trick that I have for when you move in and sometimes you see some damage from either a previous tenant or maybe your movers moved you in and scuffed up the walls a little bit. So one of the tricks that I like to use is the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. You'll see this one's textured. We give these out in all of our move-in bags. So if you happen to be one of our tenants, you'll get one or two of these in your move-in bag. All you have to do when you see scuff mark like this on your wall is get this wet. I wouldn't get it soaking wet, but just a little bit. I'll demonstrate that. And what you'll do is you'll come and wipe it clean. So you'll come, as you see, get this little bit wet. Usually what I do is I just do like a corner of it and then I kind of scrunch some of the water out. So now that it's wet, you can just go right here and wipe these scuff marks off, just like new again. So it's magic, just like magic eraser. So after you clean it, what I would recommend you do is to kind of wipe all the wetness off. But sometimes you really have to put some elbow grease into it and actually clean the wall. Sometimes you need a little bit more firmness of pressure in order to get these scuffs off. But as you can see, it's nice and clean. So if you have any other questions about Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, you can actually get them on Amazon, from Walmart, Target, any kind of retail store. And if you have any questions, please call us 703-966-2232. Thanks for watching.